The JMFC court at Mercedes has directed the Panjim police to register an FIR and conduct a FIR investigation into a case involving alleged impersonation, forgery and cheating after the police initially refused to register a zero FIR citing jurisdictional issues. Complainant Sushant Nagvekar, a resident of Raivandar, had filed a complaint on December 17, 2023, alleging that the Food and Drugs Authority had issued a license in 2017 in the name of one Prabhakar Valvaikar who had died in June 2014. The complainant pointed out that the renewal application carried Valvaikar's photograph and Aadhaar card as proof of identity, and yet the authorities processed the request and issued a fresh license in the name of the deceased. After Panjim police failed to register the FIR for several months, the complainant approached the court seeking directions for registration of the case. Opposing the plea, the Panjim police contended that the case fell under the jurisdiction of the Agasain police station and that the complaint had already been forwarded there. However, the court rejected these arguments of Panjim police, observing that any person can set the criminal law in motion and that no locus standi is required to file a complaint. The court further directed Panjim police to register the FIR and to conduct a fair investigation into the case. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.